Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you step by step as to why we need to do certain things for our skin and our makeup to last longer and to look even more beautiful. So I'm going to divide this video into different parts and teach you step by step as to how you get that flawless looking skin. So let's move on to the first step, which is very important step, and that is skin prep. Now you can do this a day before, okay, but there are certain things which is mandatory to do a day before or a night before. One is the scrub, okay, or any face pack that you want to apply. Try doing it a night before. Do not try doing the scrub and face pack on the day that your event is, because sometimes what happens is your face scrub or the mask may leave some redness on your face or may react differently on different days. So based on that, try doing it a day before or a night before. Now on your day of your event, the first thing that you're going to do is a sheet mask. Now you don't have to buy a sheet mask. This is something that I had handy and I'm trying to use it. What you can do is you can dip cotton in milk and add honey to it and just rub it on your skin. That will clean your skin and also moisturize your skin. But because I have this, I want to try this out. This face mask is from the Faces shop and it's got pomegranate extract. Alright, and I'm going to open it up. I'm going to quickly apply this and I will be back. So I have applied the sheet mask and I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes and let it do its work. I shall be back. So 15 minutes are done, and I would suggest you always try and rub your face mask in circular motions. Now once that is done, I'm just going to remove the face mask. And massage my skin well. You have to leave it to dry at least for 10 minutes. Once it dries, I'm going to be back. Step number 2. My skin is feeling very nice. So you can either add a serum if you want, or you can move directly to the moisturizer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the serum. I'm going to let this sit for at least 30 to 40 seconds, and after that we're going to do the moisturizer. Now the third step is to add moisturizer. Now my skin is very dry and that is the reason I'm going to use a heavy moisturizer. Based on your skin, please use the moisturizer. Very important is you massage your skin really well when you're moisturizing your face, because this improves blood circulation and it will give your skin a real plump look. Last but not the least, your lips. So apply any lip balm that you have, or Vaseline is fine. Now your skin is ready and prepped for your beautiful makeup. Thank you for watching and thank you for stopping by. I love you all. Do take care of yourself. Be home, be safe and be good. I love you all. Mwah.